everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing really well, especially now that it's November. We can finally start to celebrate the festive season. Don't get me wrong, I do like Halloween, but I do just prefer the festive season to the spooky season. I don't know about you, but I do. As you can tell by today's title, the video is going to be a bit different. I feel like I always do hauls or either vlogs, and I never really spice up the channel other than that really. So yeah, as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you my autumn and winter essentials. So just a quick disclaimer, these pieces that I'm going to show you aren't typically what everyone else has. They may not be super trendy, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I have in the autumn and winter and what I'm always reaching out for. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Also, if there are any new pieces that I have picked up, then I will leave links down below. I'll mention my size as well. I'll also try and leave links for other things, maybe if they've come back in stock from like previous years or anything like that, or maybe if I can find something similar. If you're new here, then hi, welcome. My name is Kayleigh and I create fashion and lifestyle content here on YouTube and over on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure to go and check out my socials. I will always leave my tags in the description. Yeah, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. So let's get into it. So this is my pink niche hoodie, I think it's called. I'm actually not 100% sure how you pronounce this brand, but what I do know is that this hoodie is absolutely insane. The quality is so great. It's really thick. I really recommend this brand for anything, to be honest. It's a really great quality. Yeah, a hoodie is literally an essential for me in the autumn and winter. As you can see, it's really nicely fleecely lined as well. I do think I got this hoodie in a size small because I did kind of want it to be more cozy and not so oversized. So these are my disco leggings. I think disco leggings are a great choice to have for the autumn and winter if you want to kind of spice up your legging collection. They aren't the thickest, I'm not going to lie, but I do think they really make an outfit kind of pop if you want to wear something other than like general leggings. These are from Pretty Little Thing, I believe, and I think these are a size 8. So the next thing I have is a black denim jacket. I feel like you can kind of wear denim jackets all year round, to be honest, but I do really love layering them up with hoodies and sweaters in the autumn and winter. So this one is actually from Misguided. It's a size 8 as it's actually like a oversized fit. I really love the wash of this as well, actually. I like the fact that it's not pure black. It's kind of like that vintage wash vibe. Yeah, it's literally perfect. It looks just so great on over hoodies and stuff. So yeah, that black one I bought like a few years ago, I think, maybe a year or so ago, and this blue one I picked up really recently. It's actually the same jacket, they're just obviously different colors, but yeah, they're just so great, and I think they just look so cool over a hoodie or sweatshirt, like I mentioned. And I actually think that kind of wearing this light blue denim jacket over this kind of pink hoodie really makes kind of your outfit pop of, well, it's a bit of pop of colour for the autumn and winter, so definitely try this out. So I could not do this video without showing you guys a long sleeve graphic t-shirt. You know I love graphic tees, so to have a long sleeve one in the autumn and winter is absolutely great. This is from Pretty Little Thing, and yeah, they actually recently gifted me this, which is absolutely insane to think that they're working with me over on Instagram. I really love the grey and the green kind of clashing. I think it's a really cool colour combination. I think this is also in a size 8. So a staple piece in my wardrobe are some ribbed flares. I absolutely love these from Boohoo, although they are a little bit see-through on the bum. I think it's just because of this black material. Although I would kind of wear like an oversized sweatshirt or hoodie with it. These aren't actually a size 8. They're also ribbed. These are a grey pair that are quite similar. They're just not exactly similar because these are more of a soft touch material, and they also have like a lettuce hem at the bottom, which I actually think is really cute, and they're not as see-through, I don't think. But yeah, like I said, I'd kind of wear something oversized with it anyway, and I believe these are both in a size 8.
So let's talk turtlenecks. Turtlenecks are absolutely great to have. I've just paired them with the disco leggings that I had on earlier, but I would kind of wear leather jeans with them. I would also layer it like I have done with this little checkered dress, which is also from Miss Self, which is absolutely one of my favourite dresses, to be fair. You can make them look so great. You can literally layer them in so many different ways, which I think is absolutely so cool and so fun. Like, as you can see here, I've paired it with a sweater, and now I've also paired it with a t-shirt. This is actually just a staple from Primark. I think I got it in extra small. It's a really nice material as well. Yeah, I really recommend turtlenecks. You can really do something fun with them. So here I have a tracksuit from Boohoo. I absolutely love this tracksuit. Boohoo have definitely upped their game with their tracksuits. Like, I just absolutely love their vibes. I love the kind of whole graphic style they do with them. They've also got this drawstring, this particular one. I actually don't really like joggers that don't have drawstrings personally. They've got pockets. I just love the whole like official with the kind of graphic pink heart face, and yeah, it's like a nice fleece lined as well. I think I got this in a size 8. So as you can tell, I love my joggers. These are from Missguided. I've definitely tried to shop around for joggers, but I always feel like I fall back to Missguided ones. They're just a really great quality. I love the drawstring of them. They've got pockets, sorry. They're cuffed at the bottom as well. So this is a black pair, and this is also a grey pair. They're the exact same. I think they're the 90s oversized fit jogger. I actually got a size 8. I do actually think I could have sized down to a size 6 if I kind of wanted a more slimmer fit. But honestly, they're so cozy and I absolutely love them. I wear them all the time. So let's talk chocolate. This is not a specific item, but this is a long sleeve ribbed bodysuit from Shein. I think this is just a size small. I actually really like chocolate brown considering I have dark brown hair. I always thought that it wouldn't look amazing. I actually picked up this H&M shirt recently. It's kind of like a satin, but not quite a satin. I think it's like a polyester or something. And I really love it. And you can style shirts like so many different ways. So when I saw this chocolate one, I thought I would definitely pick it up. I think I got this in a size small again. It's a really nice fit actually. I really like this. So yeah, definitely try and reach out for some chocolate brown in your autumn and winter wardrobe. So this is actually my favourite jacket ever. I love aviators at the moment. So this is actually from River Island, like a year or two ago now, not gonna lie. It's just so cozy. You definitely need to get yourself a suede and kind of fur trim one, because honestly it's so soft, it's unbelievable. I actually really like the detailing of this jacket as well. I love the fact that it has zips at the side and the buckles on the front, and it also has this kind of like piping at the back. I actually do think I picked this up in a size 12 because I do believe River Island kind of come up small. So definitely try and pick a bigger size if you're going to get something like this from River Island. So this jacket is from Pretty Little Thing. Again, they really kindly gifted this to me recently, which is absolutely insane. It's so comfy, again, like the other aviator jacket. It's this really cool leather and fur trim jacket. It's got this really cool like buckle detailing all over as well. It's kind of got the whole tie waist thing with the obviously leather and faux trim faux fur trim, what do you call it? Tie up. But yeah, honestly, it's so cool. It kind of has that whole piping thing going round on the back as well, but obviously with the fur trim. I actually think I got this in a size 10. It's definitely giving me Molly May vibes. So I could not do this video without showing you my North Face jacket another time round. I just absolutely love this jacket. I reach for it basically every day. It's a really good investment, I think. It's just really great. Like, there's so many like pocket compartments. I just think a North Face jacket is a really cool essential, and I think it's something that will never go out of fashion either. Obviously they're a bit expensive, but maybe put it on your Christmas list, hint hint. Excuse the little bit of fur on the sleeve there. But I actually think I got this in a size medium, which is kind of right for me because I guess a 10 would kind of fall in a medium maybe. But honestly, they're so great. It also has this compactable like bit at the back with this rain mac hood. yeah, it's just so great, and it's like there's so many little things in it that you just didn't think a jacket would have.
So yeah, that is everything that I've got to show you guys. I hope you like this kind of video. I've also got another sort of similar video planned soon. So I hope you are going to stick around for that, because that could be really fun to film. But yeah, if you want to see some more videos like this, like a lookbook or something, then let me know. Comment down below maybe what your favourite piece was, what you know you're going to be styling this winter in different ways. Make sure to subscribe as well so you don't miss any of my future videos. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!